In the Accokeek area, a sewer system backup ranks among the most distressing of plumbing issues, not just for the inconvenience, but for the potential health hazards and repair costs involved. Causes range from simple clogs to more complex issues like tree root intrusion or damaged sewer lines. Beyond the immediate mess, these backups pose significant health risks and require prompt professional attention to prevent long-term damage to your property and well-being. If you're facing this daunting issue, there's no need to tackle it alone. Dial 888-501-1193 to connect with qualified plumbing professionals who are equipped to handle even the most challenging sewer system backups. Don't let sewer backups disrupt your life or compromise your health. Call now for expert assistance and restore peace and safety to your home.